Water, the essence of life, its acute shortage due to rampant pollution and excessive use is of great concern. At Ion Exchange, it's been our privilege to manage this scarce resource. We have achieved significant landmarks in water management for over 50 years. We provide total water and wastewater treatment, recycle, zero liquid discharge and waste-to-energy solutions. Globally, we are one of the few to offer single-window solutions for industries, institutions, municipalities, homes and communities, ensuring a happier and healthier environment. We undertake projects for public water supply, municipal sewage treatment and solid waste management. Ion Exchange provides solutions that ensure source reduction, product recovery, waste minimization and water reuse. This concept has been adopted by all industries. We have the largest number of references in diverse industrial and municipal segments across the geographies served, ensuring minimum freshwater requirement and faster payback on investments, resulting in its wide acceptance by all industries. Our Zero-B range of cost-effective and user-friendly home water solutions ensure 2.5 times more water recovery than conventional RO purifiers. We offer a wide range of packaged sewage treatment plants using advanced technologies for a cleaner environment. Our first manufacturing unit for the packaged drinking water, Rail Neer, was commissioned for Indian Railways in 2003. Since then, we have expanded to 5 units countrywide. In rural India, where communities face the crisis of unsafe drinking water, we are committed to solving the problem of surface and groundwater pollution by removing contaminants like fluoride, arsenic, iron, salinity, nitrate, and uranium that can be harmful and cause epidemic diseases. We also provide mobile units in the event of a natural calamity where the water supply can get highly contaminated. These specially designed disaster management units cater to emergency requirements of drinking water that are independent of external factors like electricity. These units can travel to difficult locations and can be operated in hard-to-reach areas. Specially designed systems are also available for the Army and Navy to meet their needs of potable water during transit or camp movement. Due to rapid industrialization, freshwater sources are becoming increasingly scarce, creating the demand for alternate sources of water. We tackle this issue by treating rainwater, industrial effluent, sewage, seawater, and rainwater harvesting using the 5-tap strategy, thereby extracting purified water, resulting in the largest number of desalination, industrial effluent treatment, and recycle systems. With the constant rise in urbanization, the waste we produce has also increased. Our waste-to-energy solutions convert wastewater and organic solid waste into purified water, green energy, and rich organic fertilizers, thus working towards a circular economy. Our manufacturing facilities across the globe adhere to stringent quality and safety standards, creating solutions that reflect our competence and vision. Facilities that offer pre-designed, pre-engineered water, wastewater, process plants, and water quality monitoring instruments. Investing in R&D has led to sustained innovation and creativity, allowing us to confront challenges and create solutions for tomorrow. Our extensive in-house service network handles installations, operations and maintenance, ensuring high-performance continuity, exemplified further with our in-house 24-hour helpline. Embracing the dynamics of the digital age, we have integrated digital remote technology across all relevant areas such as manufacturing, technical support and marketing, ensuring optimal efficiency and greater customer satisfaction. Ion Exchange has become one of the largest providers of water and wastewater treatment in Asia and have further grown our solutions into a worldwide network, offering products and services spanning over 3 continents, breaking through cultural and traditional barriers. we set up the Iron Foundation to extend our social responsibility through which we provide solutions in fields of education, health and hygiene. Our achievements come with the relentless efforts of our employees who have challenged technical boundaries to bring alive ideas of the future. We've dedicated ourselves towards improving quality of life, conserving the environment, and most importantly, refreshing the planet.